Sessio 3 focuses on listening, retaining, recalling, and sharing information. Building on previous steps, it emphasizes recalling and retelling longer information. Educators will guide students in processing and sharing what they hear, enhancing their ability to communicate effectively. The building blocks of effective listening involve staying focused, retaining, and processing information. Educators should guide students to recall and explain what they've heard. This requires linking new information to existing knowledge, creating stories, and considering implications. These skills enable students to share key points effectively, enhancing their ability to communicate and learn. Reflection questions guide educators in enhancing students' listening skills. They focus on strategies to ensure focus and memory retention, and help identify when recalling information is easier or more difficult. These questions encourage students to think critically about their listening habits and improve their ability to retain and recall information effectively. Effective listening involves eliminating distractions and focusing on the speaker. Mentally repeat information to process and understand it. This builds on previous strategies by emphasizing the importance of staying focused and actively remembering, setting the stage for retaining and recalling information effectively. Recalling information isn't about memorizing verbatim. It's about connecting new knowledge to existing frameworks. Encourage using stories or sequences to store information effectively. This approach aids in better retention and recall, allowing students to share key points confidently rather than focusing on exact words. Processing information requires thoughtful reflection. Educators should encourage students to pause and consider implications before sharing. This deliberate processing enhances recall and effective communication. By linking new information to existing knowledge or creating narratives, students can better retain and convey key points, preparing them for successful information sharing. Sharing information effectively involves focusing on key points rather than exact words. Educators should guide students to link new information to familiar concepts, enhancing recall. Identifying the most important information to share is crucial, as it aids in retaining and communicating knowledge effectively. Educators should guide students in listening to extended talks, identifying key facts, and retelling stories. By modeling and scaffolding this process, teachers can enhance students' ability to retain and recall information. Practicing these skills regularly helps students become more effective listeners and communicators, reinforcing classroom learning and dynamics. Utilize the pass-it-on game to enhance students' recall and sharing abilities. Encourage them to retell stories at home, reinforcing their listening skills. Regular practice not only supports learning, but also fosters a positive classroom environment, enhancing overall dynamics and engagement. Assessing listening skills involves exercises and observation. Educators can have students listen to explanations and recall them with a teaching assistant. Observing how well learners pass on new information provides insights into their listening and retention abilities, ensuring they can effectively share what they've learned. Encourage learners to focus on listening before explanations. Use peer teaching to reinforce listening and sharing. Create opportunities for learners to practice at home. This approach helps solidify their ability to recall and share information, enhancing their listening skills and fostering a collaborative learning environment. Model effective listening by demonstrating real-life examples in the classroom. Provide feedback on students' listening and sharing abilities. This approach helps students understand how to retain and recall information, building on their ability to focus and process what they hear. Encourage them to share key points, not verbatim details, fostering a supportive learning environment. Creating a supportive environment is crucial for skill practice. Encourage collaboration and peer feedback to enhance learning. Use diverse methods to cater to different learning styles, ensuring all students can engage effectively. This approach fosters a positive atmosphere where students feel comfortable practicing and improving their listening, retention, and recall abilities. Incorporating technology can significantly enhance listening and sharing skills. Educators should integrate multimedia resources to provide diverse learning experiences. Encourage students to use digital tools for practice, allowing them to engage with content interactively and improve their ability to retain and recall information effectively. Mastering listening, retaining, and sharing enhances learning. Regular practice and assessment are key. Encourage continuous improvement and application of skills.